Greetings, friends. This is MaxBot, a channel about progressive trading. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot, which closes our trades in plus with an average passability of 90% for free. After that, you will be able to buy the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at a discount. Link in the description. I will now make a trade on the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. Time frame 2 minutes. The robot scanned the market and gave a signal for lower. You need to click on the red button on the broker's website. Also in messages with signals, the robot indicates the state of news background and volatility. At the moment, the news does not affect the price movement within the selected currency pair. Price fluctuations are reduced. Now I will analyze the signal with the help of technical analysis on the TradingView service. Through the prism of historical data, I will think about the logic of the robot. Right now I see that sellers have the potential to move the price lower. This is evident in the volume indicator and also in the way the resistance areas are working. During the last hour there was a downtrend, which smoothly turned into a flat. I think that in this situation the decisive factor will be the seller's volumes, which are active now. There will be a rebound from the resistance area and the price will go down a bit. This will allow us to close the deal successfully. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. So, the robot's analytics turned out to be correct. The deal closed in plus and $156 came to my account. Now I'm going to change the currency pair for a change. Euro to Canadian dollar. I invest $250 in a new transaction. The bot reads the situation lightning fast and gives a signal. Its analysis is accelerated with the help of neural networks. So, the forecast is higher. Volatility is elevated, news background is also high. I would like to remind you that MaxBot has powerful trading tools in its arsenal. Technical and candlestick analysis, price action and 30 indicators. It has absorbed 9 years of developers' experience. And now I will again analyze the logic of its signal by looking at the historical data on the currency pair. Despite the downtrend, the last few minutes have started to show positive signs for buyers on the tick volume histogram. Their volumes are accumulating and now there is a chance for trend reversal or at least stabilization and consolidation. The support areas have been working smoothly and slightly restrained the price drop, although the resistance areas were also quite large. Stochastic oscillator shows that now there are all preconditions for price growth. I think that the deal will close in the plus, and the robot was guided by a similar logic. Working on this structure together with MaxBot, you will definitely reach a new level of earnings, increasing your capital many times over. I want to emphasize once again that the robot absorbed all the knowledge of a large team of developers, who have 9 years of experience in professional trading at the highest level. And all this experience our team gives you for a nominal fee with a discount of 90%, and before buying you will get 3 free signals. After the purchase, the bot gives out signals without limit. It will triple your deposit on the first day of operation. The investment you make with a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours. And here's the result of the deal. The signal from the bot and my analytics agreed in an opinion, which turned out to be correct. $195 came to the real account. Now I will change the currency pair once again. There are 27 options available in the bot menu. You can also use the /OTC command to switch to options over-the-counter trading and trade on weekends, holidays and late in the day when the exchanges are asleep. Now I will conduct a trade on the currency pair Euro, British Pound. I will double the market entry amount. Now it's $500. This is the final trade for today. Now I'm getting the final signal from the neural network. Higher. In this case, you need to press the green button in pocket option. I will never tire of telling you that technical and fundamental analysis is the key to trading. Always study and analyze your trades, both profitable and closed in the negative. Your task is to get maximum data in order to make rational conclusions. The more market situations you know and have seen, the more different decisions you have made, the better your trading thinking will be. Remember this, friends. So, on the historical data on the currency pair, I see that in the last minutes there was a strong decrease in volatility, after which the activity increased again. And about 2 hours ago there was a rebound from the support area and the price movement went higher. Now, after the consolidation corridor, I am sure that the buyers will be able to raise the price, because their volumes have been statistically larger than those of the sellers lately. I think that the bot, having analyzed this, including with the help of additional data, made a similar decision, and that is why it gave a higher signal. Let's wait for the end of the deal. By the way, after buying MaxBot you will get access to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. Our team shares actual signals there. And now on your screen are testimonials from traders who have started working with the bot on a regular basis. They started earning really good sums and optimized their trading strategy and their working schedule, thanks to the fact that the bot analyzes everything by itself. In the meantime, the deal closes successfully. The real account received $390. Total profit for 3 operations $741. Thanks for watching. Have a successful trading. Subscribe to the channel, put a like and click on the bell. See you soon.